and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Thirsty Thursday. So today we are going to be making an electric lemonade. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love drinks, but most importantly, you love helping out a good cause, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So if you tuned in last week we did a pink Moscato lemonade that I thought was really, really good. And while I was researching that, I ran across the recipe for this, which is an electric lemonade, and I thought that sounds really interesting. Only problem is I don't have half the ingredients it calls for. So the first thing it called for was 3 parts of blue Curaçao. I think I'm saying that correctly. But anyway, the store didn't have it. So while I was there, I just went ahead and picked up some UV blue raspberry vodka. But the recipe also calls for 3 parts of vodka. So I'm putting the vodka in, what can I replace that with? And I thought, well, what is the blue Curaçao, whatever, what does that taste like anyway? It's been years since I've had it, and I looked it up, and it's flavored like orange, which I thought is really weird. Apparently they color it, and they color it blue. Sometimes they color it orange, but I just thought it was weird. They color it blue, but it tastes like orange. If that's true, I don't know. Someone's gonna have to tell me, because obviously I haven't had it in a long time, and obviously I don't have it here. So I decided if that is true, though, we are gonna sub out some triple sec. And then lastly, it also calls for some sweet and sour. But the other thing that I don't have, but I did this one on purpose, is 7-Up. It calls for you to fill up the rest of the glass with some 7-Up. But I thought if this is an electric lemonade, it needs to be electrifying, right? It needs some energy. Let's put some energy drink into it. Okay, so we need, it says 3/4 of an ounce, but I think it'd be easier if I do 3 parts to 4 parts. It'll make more sense to me that way. All right, so here's 2 ounces. 2 ounces there. And so half of this would be 3 ounces. Close enough, right? And then we also need 3 ounces of triple sec. So I got a 2-ounce shot glass here that I usually fill to the to the brim, so it's more like 2.5. All right, so that should be 3 ounces of that. And then we're going to need 4 ounces of sweet and sour mix. So the only thing I'm confused on is because it had enough to make 1 drink and then you filled it up with the 7-Up, is because I'm making more. I'm not quite sure how much I should put into the glass. All right, so 4 ounces of this. Well, let's see. I'm going to say maybe half and half. I don't know. Let's give this a shake first. Right. And then I'm going to strain this into my glass that I have filled with ice. Well, in the pictures, I got this going everywhere. In the pictures, it was more blue colored. I'm going to have to go to the store and get some more blue raspberry. Maybe the blue Curaçao, maybe it has more blue in it because this really looks green to me. Let's see what color our energy drink is. I picked this one up at Aldi's. I have no idea what it tastes like. Let's see if I can get my finger under here. There we go. And I probably put too much in here, so we need to drink some of this. That's not bad on its own. So I don't think it needs a whole lot of 7-Up. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, and I have some lemons here. I almost said limes, but these are lemons that we're going to use to garnish it. I forgot to get a straw. All right, maybe I should stir this. I was going to say it's a little bit strong before I put the soda in, but not really because the UV vodka, it's only about 30%, I think. So maybe even less than that. That is surprisingly good. I really thought that I was going to like the wine lemonade that I made last week better, but I think I like this. I need to make a big picture of this. Yeah, I really like that. It's kind of like a really fruity soda. I don't know. It's good. Anyway, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're able to find the blue Curaçao in your store. Anyway, I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Thursday with another drink. Bye.